Hey everyone, this is a little haul video here, kind of something interesting. I bought a bunch of chess books, ones that teach you different strategies. Some have like the moves that people made in certain chess tournaments. Some of you, that's my son playing, so you'll have to just bear with me. He's gonna make some noise, but you might see, you might have heard of Bobby Fischer. He's a pretty famous chess player. There's a bunch of different books here, and this isn't even all of them. I paid $60 for all these. It was 6 boxes, kind of like the size roughly of paper boxes, maybe a little bit smaller, but 6 boxes full of books for $60. From what I could see in the pictures, I looked a couple of them up, and some of them were selling for $20-30, so I knew it was a good deal, so I grabbed them all. My wife, she has started Amazon now. She's been selling stuff over there, and she took a bunch of books, you know, a whole box full that she's going to list over there that had pretty good sell through and she could make some money on. Everything else is here, and I'm still going to make good money on this. So it's a little something different, and I'm just encouraging you guys to step out of your comfort zone a little bit. Obviously, you may not find a huge, you know, bunch of chess books, because why someone has this many, I don't know. A couple of the ones I know she found one that was like $150 on Amazon, and there were some other ones, you know, 20s, 30s, 40s. So it should be pretty good for both of us. Most of the ones up here, and this isn't even all of them, I just pulled what I could put in the view here. These front ones all here are all kind of ones that, some of them are listed for $40 on eBay, but none have ever sold. You know, there's just, I'm sure the market for these, the demand is very small, because who wants to read a 1930, you know, chess tournament play-by-play, basically? I don't know. Some people might, so the market is small. So on these ones that don't have, you know, at least some active purchases, and obviously on Amazon they didn't either, I'm going to lot them into lots of like 15 books and then just sell them like that. And if I can get 35, 40, 50 bucks for each set of 15 books, that'll probably make enough profit just in those little lots. And then all the good stuff will make even more than that. So as you can see, it's a bunch here. I did pull out some of the really cool stuff. These American Chess Quarterlies, I only have 6. Someone sold a lot of 15 for like $190. So that was pretty cool, because they're just this thin little kind of like, almost like a magazine or like a journal, and it's just quarterly, you know, has certain volume. So those ones did really well. These Chess Space magazines were kind of similar. Someone had a bunch of them and got like a couple $100. I only have like 5, but if I can get, you know, $25 or $30 just for those, that'd be cool. Same with the journals. There's like 4 issues, I think. I had the first one and the third one. I might get $10 a piece for those if I lot them together. And then someone sold this Vienna Gambit. It's 7 parts. I think they got like 80 or 90 bucks for that. So pretty good. Just a bunch of random books about chess. So if you want to learn about chess, come to my eBay store and you can buy these and you'll be the master. But if not, it's just something to really keep an eye out for, because sometimes, you know, we overlook things that are out of our comfort zone or just seem a little odd. And something like this, I mean, I estimate we'll probably have for the $60, I don't know, maybe pushing $700, $800 in total sales price gross when it's all said and done. So that's a really good profit margin. It will take time, but it's one of those things where it was worth picking up. So keep an eye out for stuff like this. Hopefully in the sales updates you'll see. Like I said, my wife's taken a bunch of the books, probably some of the better ones, and she's going to sell them on Amazon. So many of them that are really cool, so I'll try to let you guys know. And then also here, just for fun, this is a jacket. Nothing to do with chess, but some of you may know the brand there. It's an RLX, Ralph Lauren X women's. It's a size large. I actually have the hood that's kind of like a faux fur hood. It's okay, buddy. A little logo on the side there. The buttons, RLX. This came in a lot of stuff I bought for $46. It's not perfect. It's got a little scuffing there, and it's got some along the collar. But I cleaned it up as best I could. Some of these are listed for like over $100 for these jackets, but I imagine with the condition I might not get the full 100. But if I could get $80 for this, that'd be pretty cool. So RLX stuff does really well. I've sold like polos and stuff for like $25-30 for men's. I saw something the other day that sold like a little lighter jacket, a lightweight jacket by this brand. This line, I mean, and I think they got like $50-something. So it does do pretty well. Look out for it. It's better than just your normal Ralph Lauren stuff, but Like I said, it's the X, it's the women's size large, and I do have the zip hood that goes here with the faux fur. So hopefully we'll do well on that. All right, take care, guys.